Philips Salon Dry Compact Blow Dryer looks like this. It has two shades of purple in its color tone. This is the head of the blow dryer. At the back of it are the air vents, and at the base are where the buttons are located. As you can see, it has two speeds. The first one being a thermo protect option and the second one being the faster speed. It has a cord which it needs for power, and this is the regular 2-pin plug which it comes in. This is the nozzle, which is the only accessory which comes with this blow dryer, and this fits into the head of it when you want a more precise blow dryer. With so many options available for blow drying and styling hair, it can be a breath of fresh air to have a product like the Salon Dry Compact Blow Dryer from Philips. It's a very straightforward, no fuss product. As you saw in the features that we went through and the close-ups as well, you can see there are just two speed options that it has. So you don't need to fidget too much in terms of its speed and heat, etc. All you have to do is select one of them and go. One of them is the thermo protect option, which is a nice touch so that you can protect your hair overall even when blow drying. And it also has one accessory that it comes with, which is the nozzle. So if you do want a slightly more precise finish when blow drying your hair, this is what you need to fit right into it, and it does the job. So overall, if you are looking for simply a blow dry at home without any hassle, without too many options, a straightforward no fuss blow dry, this is bound to do the job.